Have you ever prayed and felt like no answer came? You begin to wonder, did Allah hear me? But the truth is, Allah always hears, and He always responds. Sometimes it just takes patience. Prayer, or dua, is a core practice in Islam, a direct conversation with our Creator, but many give up too soon. The Prophet Muhammad taught us that Allah responds to every sincere prayer, and He does so in three powerful ways. He gives you what you ask for, directly. He gives you something better, through a different path. Or, He stores it for you in the akhirah, a reward far greater than you imagined. So when you feel unheard, remember, continuous prayer is never wasted. Your sincerity echoes beyond this life. The Prophet Muhammad reminded us, no one makes a dua without it being accepted, either immediately or delayed, or a sin is removed, or it's saved as a reward in the hereafter. This means every word, every tear in prayer is recorded. Even if you don't see the result now, your prayer is alive and the reward is coming. One beautiful prayer the Prophet taught is, O Allah, I ask you for all that is good, now and later. This covers everything: health, guidance, risk, peace, protection. And along with asking for good, he also sought refuge from all forms of evil. These prayers teach us to lean on Allah in all conditions, joy or hardship. And when things seem silent, the angels are recording. Some prayers become rewards in Jannah, beyond anything we can imagine. So don't stop praying, even when you feel broken, even when the answer feels far. Your dua is heard, your voice matters, and Allah is closer than you think. Be patient, keep asking, because with Allah, nothing is ever lost.